Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Zulay Powerful Milk Frother. If you're someone who loves coffee or tea, then you know how important it is to have perfectly frothed milk to accompany your beverage. With the Zulay Powerful Milk Frother, you can achieve that cafe-quality frothed milk right in the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll be discussing all the features and benefits of this product and giving you our honest opinion on whether or not it's worth purchasing. The Zulay Powerful Milk Frother is a compact and powerful device that can froth milk in seconds. It comes with a stainless steel whisk and a powerful motor that can froth milk in less than a minute. The frother is also easy to use and can be operated with just one button. It requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included in the package. One of the best things about the Zulay Powerful Milk Frother is that it can be used for a variety of beverages, including coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and even protein shakes. The frother is also easy to clean, as the whisk can be easily removed and cleaned with soap and water. However, the device is not dishwasher safe. So, that's our review of the Zulay Powerful Milk Frother. Overall, we think it's a great investment for anyone who loves frothed milk with their coffee or tea. It's affordable, easy to use, and can be used for a variety of beverages. If you're interested in purchasing the Zulay Powerful Milk Frother, we'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.